Europe's capital B buys 12 more BTC. Total holdings hit 2,812 Bitcoin, worth $314 million. Adoption. Bitcoin. Market. Europe's capital B buys 12 more BTC, bringing total holdings to 2,812 Bitcoin, worth $314 million with 1,656% annual yield. Crypto journalist. Hassan. Crypto journalist. Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 2 hours ago. Capital B has acquired 12 additional Bitcoin, BTC, for 1.2 million euros, bringing the European company's total holdings to 2,812 BTC, worth over $314 million as of September 29. The Euronext Growth Paris-listed firm achieved the purchase through a capital increase with strategic partner TOBAM, maintaining an average acquisition cost of €93,216, $108,800 per Bitcoin. Europe's largest Bitcoin Treasury posts 1,656% annual yield. The transaction marks the latest expansion in the company's aggressive accumulation strategy, which has generated a 1,656.1% year-to-date BTC yield and made Capital B Europe the largest publicly traded Bitcoin Treasury company. The French firm has grown from holding just 15 Bitcoin in November 2024 to accumulating 2,812 BTC over the course of 10 months, an 18,647% increase in holdings. Capital B now ranks 28th globally among public companies holding Bitcoin, trailing Asian competitor Metaplanet's 25,555 BTC, and Sequence Communications' 3,205 BTC. The company's strategy followed the approach pioneered by US-based Strategy, which holds 640,031 Bitcoin after acquiring 196 BTC for approximately $22.1 million at an average price of $113,048 per coin today. Bitcoin Treasury's rapid growth has attracted significant institutional backing, with the Los Angeles-based Capital Group, a $2.6 trillion asset manager, recently taking an 11.45% stake in Metaplanet, valued at nearly $500 million. TOBAM, a French asset management firm, has emerged as Capital B's primary strategic partner, participating in multiple capital raises throughout 2025 and now holding 5.7% of the company's outstanding shares. ATM program drives zero-fee capital formation. Capital B completed its latest acquisition through an ATM-type capital increase program with TOBAM, issuing 706,000 new ordinary shares at €1.70, $1.99 per share. The program represents France's first at-the-market offering structure, allowing daily subscription requests with dynamic pricing that protects shareholder value. TOBAM's 5 funds collectively subscribe to the entire offering, with the Bitcoin Enhanced Fund acquiring 305,000 shares for €521,197, $608,423, and 4 additional funds taking smaller positions. The ATM mechanism has proven highly efficient, generating €19.7 million, $22.99 million, in capital without intermediary fees since launch. The structure sets subscription prices at the highest of 3 benchmarks: the previous day's closing price, the previous day's volume-weighted average price, or the 20-day average VWAP, discounted by 15%. This approach has allowed Capital B to raise capital more accretively than traditional equity offerings while maintaining alignment with long-term investors. Capital B has now raised over €270 million, $315 million, through various financing instruments in 2025, including €150 million, $175 million, in convertible bonds and €125 million, $145.9 million, in equity placements. The company maintains €10 billion, $11.67 billion, in authorized capital raising capacity, with €300 million, $350 million, specifically allocated for TOBAM-led ATM transactions. Notably, Capital B's convertible bond program offers investors zero-coupon, 5-year instruments with conversion prices at 30% premiums to current share prices. The structure allows bondholders to convert into equity when the company outperforms conversion thresholds, while maintaining Bitcoin-denominated debt that eliminates credit risk. The company has issued convertible bonds worth 13 million euros, $15.2 million, to TOBAM and 6.5 million euros, $7.6 million, through its Luxembourg subsidiary, with proceeds designated 95% for Bitcoin purchases. European Bitcoin Treasury market gains momentum. The latest purchase follows Capital B's acquisition of 551 Bitcoin on September 22nd and 48 Bitcoin on September 15th. The company has been acquiring an average of 8.7 Bitcoin daily since adopting its treasury strategy, with the rate increasing 12-fold year-to-date. Capital B's total holdings now represent approximately 0.013% of Bitcoin's total supply of 21 million, with management targeting 1% ownership by 2033. Beyond Capital B, the European Bitcoin treasury sector is expanding as companies seek to replicate the success of US and Asian pioneers. UK-listed B HODL recently purchased 100 Bitcoin worth $11.3 million immediately after its September debut on London's Aquis Stock Exchange, raising £15.3 million at listing. Meanwhile, Sora Ventures launched a $200 million Bitcoin treasury fund at Taipei Blockchain Week, targeting $1 billion in acquisitions within 6 months to support Asian companies, including Metaplanet, Moon Incorporated, DV8, and BitPlanet. For Capital B, the company's financing structures allow it to acquire Bitcoin while minimizing shareholder dilution and maintaining a debt-free balance sheet, with a focus on long-term accumulation over traditional financial returns. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. XRP price prediction. Liquidity rotation from Bitcoin to XRP expected after SEC approvals. XRP price prediction. The first U.S. spot XRP ETF is about to be listed, and the XRP price target is $5. XRP price prediction. Ripple joins BlackRock in $700 million off-ramp deal, $1,000 XRP possible. XRP returns to $3.40 all-time high as DOT Miners launches multi-coin mining options in response to market surge. Global banking giant Swift ignites mainstream adoption with Ethereum stablecoin payment test. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. $109,000 hold ignites, October rally talk. Is this the BTC catalyst? 1 day ago, by Arslan Butt. Price analysis. Shiba Inu price prediction. Over 7 million SHIB burned in 24 hours. Is the supply shock incoming? 2 days ago, by Alejandro Arich. Blockchain news. Hyperliquid's Hyperdrive DeFi loses $773,000 in account compromise. Funds bridged to BNB Chain and Ethereum. 1 day ago, by Hassan. Best crypto to buy now in September 2025. Top crypto to invest in. September 15, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 3 days ago. By Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 3 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in September 2025. 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. September 22, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 9 hours ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. September 11, 2025. By Ben Beto.